Hello children, today we will see lesson 9 of your English 1, that is verbs, the base form. Okay, so children, you have already studied what is verb, then you have studied the different tenses of verb, you have studied about continuous tenses. Okay, so these verbs can have different forms. Okay, and how these different forms are formed, or how these are made. These different forms are made by adding different endings to the verb. Okay, like we can add s to the verb, we can add ing to the verb, we can add ed to the verb, we can add en to the verb, and we can just change its basic form. Okay, for example, if I take the verb, let's say play. Okay, play is the verb. So this is the original form of the verb, or we can say this is the base form of the verb. Okay, the means that the original form of the verb is actually known as base form. Okay, so this is the base form of the verb, and we can add different endings to this base form, and we can change the form. Like if we can add s to it, and we can make it plays. In present tense singular case, we add s. Okay, then we can add ing, and we can make it playing. In continuous tense, in present, past, future continuous tense, we add ing to the verb, so it is playing. Or we can add ed to the verb, and we can make it played. In the past tense, simple past tense, we can use played. Okay, so like this, adding different endings to the verbs, we can change the base form of the verb. And it's not like always adding to the end word only, and end alphabet. Sometimes the changes are within the verb also. Okay, suppose if I take the example, suppose know, K-N-O-W, know. In this, yes, we can add s, knows, it is present. We can add ing, knowing, K-N-O-W-I-N-G, knowing. But if we have to make it past tense, we will make internal change, new. Okay, we will not write knowed, K-N-O-W-E-D, no, there is no such word. Now there is internal change, and it becomes new. Similarly, if I take the example of fight, okay, if you have to change it into past tense, there is internal change, it becomes fought. Right? So we can change the basic form of the verb, and we can make the verb into different tenses. Okay, so let's see the exercise part also, children. Here, page number 38. Pick out the verbs from the following sentences and state what the base form of each is. One has been done for you. So number 1 is the snake hissed. Okay, it is already given here. The verb is hissed, and what is the base form? Hiss, H-I-S-S, hiss. Second one, a train carries different people to different places. Now see here, verb is carries. Okay, and what is the base form? From where this verb carries is formed? From the base form carry. Okay, from this carry only we removed I and we add IES, and it becomes carries. Okay, so you will write like this only: verb carries, base form carry. Now third one, when will our vacation begin? So children, instead of writing every time, I have just made this thing of tabular form. Here it is verb, and here it is base form. But you will write like this only in all the 15 sentences. Okay, it's just like I don't want to write again, just to save the time I have made this table. So when will our vacation begin? So what is the verb? Verb is will begin. Okay, and base form is begin. Okay, base form is begin. Now fourth one, he knelt down and looked under the bed. Now what is a verb? Verb is knelt, and we see that there is one more verb here, looked. Two verbs are there. So what is the base form of knelt? Kneel. Kneel means to sit on your knees. Okay. And looked. The base form is look. Okay. Fifth one. The bird flew away when he blew the whistle. Again, two verbs. Flew and blew. The base form of flew is fly. Okay. Fly is base form. In past tense is flew. And the base form of blew is blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. Sixth one. The dog chased the burglars away. So, the verb is chase and the base form is chase. Seventh one. The sun was shining fiercely and we were sweating. So, here the verb is was shining. Was, S-H-I-N-I-N-G. Was shining. And also one more, were sweating. Okay. Were sweating. And what is the base form of was shining? Shine. Okay. We add ing and becomes shining. And what is the base form of were sweating? Sweat. S-W-E-A-T. Sweat means pasina. Okay. Eighth one. There are dark clouds in the sky and it will rain soon. So, are is the verb, right? And there is one more verb. There are dark clouds in the sky and will rain. Will rain is the other verb. Will rain. Okay. So, are. Children, are the base form is be. Okay. So, what is be? Be is, you can say, irregular verb form. Okay. And this verb be includes different verb forms like be, am, is, are, was, were, being, being. Okay. So, these are the different verb forms that comes under be. So, here are is there. So, the base form is be. Okay. So, will rain, the base form is rain. Okay. Next is ninth one. Have you read Alice Adventure in Wonderland? So, verb is have read. Have read. And the base form is read. So, children, see, spelling is same, but here we read it as read with have, and in past tense we say read, and in present tense we say read. Although the spelling is same, but the pronunciation is different. Okay. 10th one. When will the train leave? Okay. So, verb is will leave. Okay. Will leave. And the base form is leave. 11th one is wash your hands and sit down at the table, said mother. So, here verb is wash, sit and also said. Okay. 3 verbs are here. So, wash as it is taken. So, base form is same, wash, sit, say it is, there is no change. So, base form is sit, and the third verb is said. So, the base form of said will be say. Okay. Now, 12th one. I shall be returning this book to the library today. So, verb is shall be returning. Shall be returning. Okay. Now, the base form is return. The base form is return. 13. How old are you? The old lady asked the boy. So, what is the verb here? In the first part of the sentence, the verb is are. And there is one more verb, asked. Okay. So, 2 verbs are there. Now, as I told you, are will come in the be form of the verb. So, the base form is be. and asked, the base form will be ask. 14th, the earth goes round the sun. So here goes is the verb and the base form is go. 15th, I shall lend you my bicycle if you lend me your camera. So shall lend, and second one is simply lend. So here shall lend, base form is lend, and this lend is same as lend. Okay, so these are the verbs and these are the base form of the verb. So I hope you have understood this chapter, base form of the verb, and I want you to complete your exercise today itself. Okay, thank you.